Hey guys, Collin here with Rangeland RV, and today we're going to be taking you through the all-new Rockwood Freedom 2318G. This unit's going to measure in at about 15.5 feet tip to tip. It's going to weigh in at about 2,500 pounds dry. You're going to have a 26-gallon fresh water capacity, a king and queen bed, a dinette that folds down, and a cassette toilet. Let's take a look. So let's take a second here at the front of the coach to go over some of the great exterior features. One thing that they're going to give you here is two 20-pound propane tanks. Lots of onboard propane, so you're not going to have an issue about running out on your extended camping trips. You do have room up here for two batteries. We give you one for free here at Rangeland RV, included in our camping package, but you are set up for two. Power lift system. The power lift system does have a lifetime warranty on it. You are prepped for solar, so you're going to get a solar connection just in behind here. And as you can see above me, plywood bed ends with 1,000-pound capacity on them and full aluminum framing. So a few more awesome features here on the front of the coach. You're going to get a great Dometic bag awning here with LED strip lighting underneath. You're not going to be hauling out a whole bunch of little lanterns and stuff to light up your campsite. 5-piece Herculite canvas sectional. So what that means for you is if you catch a branch or something and you tear some canvas on your unit, you're not having to replace the entire canvas. They can actually just remove one section, replace it that way. You're going to have access to your cassette toilet up here at the front. Nice and easy removal for you. So you can get that waste out of there nice and clean. You have your freshwater tank here to fill up. Again, 26-gallon freshwater capacity, which is really nice on one of these units. You do have a rail here for your outdoor table, prep table, and it is going to come with an outdoor grill. Nice barbecue, a propane quick connect down here to hook your barbecue up to. So again, not hauling in a whole bunch of little green tanks with you. So we're inside the coach now, up here at the front. Let's take some time to talk about some of the great features here. So in your kitchen area, you are going to get a sink. You do have hot water in this unit. You're going to get a 6-gallon fast recovery hot water tank. 3-burner cooktop here with the nice cover that's going to fold down. So if you need a little extra prep space, something like that, you do have it. Got a 3-way refrigerator here. So what that means, you can run it on 110, you can run it on 12 volt, or you can run it on propane. Whatever's easier for you. Get some great storage in here as well for some utensils, some plates, anything like that you need in. To my left here, you're going to see your cassette toilet and shower area. So you're going to get a nice shower curtain that's going to go around here for you. So you do get a little bit of privacy if you do need to use this toilet in the middle of the night. Maybe your family's around or something like that. You do have a shower head in here, so if you need to rinse off after your day's adventures, you got that there as well. And then last thing I want to talk about up here at the front is your king size heated mattress. So you get those little bit chillier nights up in the mountains or something like that. You can cut down the chill a little bit just by flicking on your mattress. That's going to run on 110 power. So as you can see, this unit does come with a slide out. That's not something you see very often in tent trailers, so it is a nice addition. Gives you a little bit of extra elbow room, and it does give you a lot more sleeping in this coach. So you're going to be able to comfortably sleep 8, no problem in here. Rockwood does give you a light that's going to hook up here as well, so you get a little light around your dining area. Removable table, so you can take this guy outside if you need to. You're going to get lots of good storage under here as well, so they did everything that they could to maximize your space in here. So last few things to go over here on the rear end of the coach here. Your furnace is going to be back here. It's a 20,000 BTU furnace, so you're going to heat this guy up real quick. You are hooked up back here with 110 power and cable, so if you want to have a TV going in here, you do have that ability as well. You're getting a queen size heated mattress at the back here to pair with the king size heated mattress you're getting up front. Rockwood gives you this awesome LED light and fan that's going to hook up here as well. So it's going to move a little bit of air for you, give you some light back here. You got this great overhead storage compartment here that they've added in on this version. So duffel bags, extra clothes, anything like that you can kind of store above your sleeping area. You're getting a fantastic fan in this unit. So the fantastic fan moves 900 cubic feet of air per minute. If you come back from your day's adventures, it's just scorching hot in here. Flip that fan on, it's going to cool it down in no time. One more feature to add in here, a little extra sleeping, is this pull-out sofa. Just pulls out nice and easy like that, and sleep another one here, or two if you're really comfortable with each other.